Presta is excited to introduce our new Shop Line buffing system. Presta's new Shop Line is a value-based buffing system designed for economy clears. It provides users with a simple, two-step system for producing a swirl-free and glossy finish. Presta's Shop Line is body shop safe and is designed to be used with a rotary buffer to cut P1200 and finer sand scratches. The new look bottles also feature an easy-to-understand pictogram system to quickly convey directions to any user. We will begin with step 1 cutting compound along with the heavy cutting white wool pad. Prior to buffing, spur your pad to remove any excess lint. Apply 4 1/4-inch dots of compound to your pad and an additional 1-inch dot of product directly to the surface. Season the pad by running the buffer at a low speed and spreading the compound across your work area. This helps to prevent dry buffing. Increase your buffer speed to between 1600 and 2200 RPMs and continue working in a crosshatch pattern. Work the buffer slowly using medium pressure and gradually reduce pressure as the product breaks down. The Presta Shop Line is transparent, allowing you to see as you work. Once the compound has completely broken down and the scratches have been removed, wipe down the area with an ultra-soft microfiber. The water-based compounds break down as you work, making cleanup easy. Once the surface is clean, you'll be ready to move on to the second step, the finishing polish. You want to use the finishing polish with the gray foam polishing pad. Similar to step 1, you want to season your pad by applying 4 1/4-inch dots of product to the pad and another 1-inch dot to the vehicle surface. Spread the product across your work area at a low speed. Increase your buffer speed to between 1000 and 1600 RPM and continue buffing in a crosshatch pattern. The finishing polish will stay wet throughout the buffing process. Slowly reduce pressure as you achieve a high gloss finish. Wipe any excess from the surface with a clean microfiber to reveal a high gloss and swirl-free finish that will not wash away. Presta Shop Line, cutting compound, and finishing polish provide shops and users with a quick and simple way to get a flawless finish in just 2 steps. These 2 products help shops to compete in today's market.